these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You know who it is. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to bring you all another inspiring DIY idea. Okay guys, so today we are going to make a lamp, and I got this idea from a previous lamp that I seen online, but I'm going to try to put my little twist on things. So we're going to use this mirror tile that I got from dieflard.com. We're going to use this beautiful candle holder that I got from Hobby Lobby. We're going to use this round acrylic piece, and I got this from Amazon. And we're going to use this mirrored round piece that I got from, I think it was Dollar Tree. This auto trim I got from Amazon. And we're going to use these beautiful tiles that I got from Tile-Nafuu, Glam Decor. This cylinder vase that I got from the Goodwill. And we're also going to use this lampshade. It's raggedy, it's old. That we're going to use from a previous project. And also a lamp that I got from, Walmart. Okay guys, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our mirrored tile, and we're going to wrap our vase in this mirrored tile. As you can see, guys, I'm not using a whole lot of glue. This is just for demonstration purposes only. And if you're going to recreate this and you're going to keep it, then you also can use E6000. But this holds pretty good, y'all. But if you're going to keep it, then you can use some E6000 just to give it that extra hold that you will need to, have it last. Okay guys, so this is how it should be looking so far. Of course, we got to clean it. But I just wanted to let you all know that here's where you stop. If you want to just keep this a vase, so like I said, you can convert these vases into lamps or whatever, but this is where you stop, so you can go ahead and make you a vase. So guys, we're going to continue on with this DIY. We're just going to flip this over, and we're going to go ahead and glue down our round mirror piece. Okay guys, so this is how our lamp turned out. Y'all, it is so beautiful. I really do like the uniqueness of it. So guys, if you like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.